The new Malibu may be equipped with an electronic keyless ignition with push-button start, while the transmitter must be inside the car. To start the engine, simply apply pressure to the brake pedal and press the engine start-stop button. Once engine cranking starts, release the button. Keep your foot on the brake to shift out of park. You turn off the engine the same way. Transmission in park, foot on the brake, and press the button once. However, at this point, while the engine is turned off, the ignition's retained accessory power is still on. This allows you to operate the audio system, power windows, and other items for up to 10 minutes. When the ignition is off, it can be put in accessory mode by pressing the button once without applying the brake pedal. The ignition will switch back to off automatically after 5 minutes to prevent battery rundown.